So I'm at Five Below, you guys, and they have these cute nail polish gift sets. These are Wet n Wild's. That's cute. Glitter ones. These are glitters, colors. These are darker colors. And I got some of these sitting here, which is pretty. This is pretty. Brush paint. I have some more over here. I have a lot of makeup. $5. Here's one. 12-piece set. $5. These are cute. Kid friendly. $4. Little Christmas pack with a nail file. The little gingerbread is a nail file. And if I see anything else, I will come back and show y'all. Stuff for little girls too. How cute are these JoJo Siwa ribbons or bows? But they do have nail polish stuff for the girls. How cute is this by My Beauty Spot? Comes in a little cup. And there's different fun colors in there. And they have the JoJo Siwa nail polish here with little stickers. All kind of cute little JoJo Siwa stuff. I don't know why I keep mispronouncing her name. Or anyone that has little girls, because I don't. My girl's big now. That's cute. They got the LOL surprise polish. Here's another JoJo Siwa kit. Okay, I was taking pictures, sorry. More polish. Here's some JoJo Siwa strawberry scented body shimmer. It's pretty. There we go. It's another color. A little too bright. Okay. How cute and fun for little girls. And they do have, you know, their usual polishes they always have over here. These things, you guys, are really good for your feet. If you haven't tried this before, I would recommend it. Those work really good. Ooh, that's nice and bright. Every time I come, I say I want to get one of these, and I never do. But pretty color. I love this pink. This stuff, I don't have the Onyx one, but I do have the spray nail dryer, and it works really good. Here's the pink I was looking at earlier. That's pretty. So what's this one? It's purple. I think these are some more colors. They have the cute little like hair bows and a bunch of different masks. I picked this up. I'm gonna try this for makeup brushes. Brush it off. See how well it cleans. What else? So much stuff, y'all. I don't even know. I came in here for like one thing, and I end up with a basket. If you can see here. If you're looking for Christmas pajamas, you guys, they have a bunch of cute Christmas PJs for just $5. Oh, that's neat. Alright, I'm going to finish looking around because I have to get out of here and go to another store. But so far, That's most of the nail stuff I've seen. There's some more, but y'all actually have, I showed that to y'all before already. So, yeah. All right, you guys. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Maxx. And they have some Nicole Miller polish sets. I don't know what the price is. Let's see. $5.99. This. This one. Ellen Tracy. New Concepts. Let's see my phone. Can't get any brighter. This one. What is this? Live Green. And another Nicole Miller. This one, $4.99. Another Nicole Miller, $4.99. OPI, $6.99. This is cute. Another Ellen Tracy. Some more. I think that is it. Bath bombs.